Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve 9 by 4 whole power 9 by 4 is equals to x times root 6 and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with the today's video solution. So 9 by 4 we can write it as 3 by 2 whole square and the power 9 by 4 in term of mixed fraction we can write it as 2 whole 1 by 4 is equals to x times root 6. Now 3 by 2 whole square we can write it as 2 plus 1 by 4 is equals to x root 6. So 3 by 2 according to exponent rule a power m power n is equals to a power mn. So 2 times 2 is 4 plus 2 by 4 is equals to x root 6 or 3 by 2 power 4 plus 1 by 2 is equals to x root 6. Now according to exponent rule x power m plus n we can write it as x power m times x power n. So 3 by 2 whole power 4 times 3 by 2 whole power 1 by 2 is equals to x times root 6. Here 3 power 4 is equals to 81. Similarly 2 power 4 is equals to 16 times 3 by 2 whole power half we can write as root 3 by root 2 is equals to x times root 6. Now to remove this square root of 2 from the denominator, I am going to multiply with square root 2 in numerator and denominator. So 81 by 16 times root 6 by 2 is equals to x root 6. Now to find the value of x from right hand side, I am going to divide by root 6 both sides. So we can cancel out this. So 81 by 32, we can cancel out this x. So the value of x is 81 by 32. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.